Welcome green thumbs and fellow nature enthusiasts to our gardening and farming channel. Today we're thrilled to delve into the captivating world of the small leaf spiderwort, a living organism with a rich history and a plethora of interesting features. Join us as we explore its origins, unique characteristics, and essential care tips to cultivate this beauty in your garden. Meet the small leaf spiderwort, scientifically known as Tradescantia fluminensis. This enchanting plant has a storied past dating back to ancient cultures of North America, where it was used for various medicinal and culinary purposes. Also called spider lily or spiderwort, it earned these nicknames due to its unique spider-like flowers. The small leaf spiderwort is a true wonder to behold. With its slender arching stems and delicate lance-shaped leaves, it adds an elegant touch to any landscape. Vibrant purple, blue, or pink flowers bloom in clusters, creating a stunning display that attracts butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. Creating an ideal habitat for the small leaf spiderwort ensures its vibrant growth. This hardy perennial thrives in partial to full sun and well-draining soil, making it perfect for rock gardens or natural areas. Additionally, it tolerates a wide range of climates and soil types, making it a versatile choice for gardeners. To enhance the beauty of your garden, consider companion planting with a small leaf spiderwort. It complements other wildflowers like coniflowers and coreopsis, creating a harmonious and visually appealing landscape. Apart from its visual appeal, the small leaf spiderwort offers practical uses. In traditional medicine, it was utilized for its medicinal properties, including wound healing and pain relief. Its vibrant flowers are also edible and can add a splash of color to salads and other culinary creations. And there you have it, the captivating tale of the small leaf spiderwort, or Tradescantia fluminensis, a gem in the realm of gardening and farming. Embrace its rich history, mesmerizing characteristics, and essential care tips to cultivate this enchanting perennial in your garden. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes on our channel, where we continue our journey through the diverse world of living organisms celebrating the wonders of nature. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us on these botanical adventures.